Hello, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to be starting in just a moment. I just wanted to allow a chance for all of the attendees to come from the waiting room and join the session, so we will be getting started soon. In the meantime, I want to say welcome. My name is Kate Kumar. I am the Assistant Director of Graduate Recruitment for the Columbian College of Arts and Sciences at the George Washington University. And in today's session, we are going to be covering the Master of Science in Statistics. I'm joined here by Professor Tapan Nayak, who is the Program Director. So he's going to give you an overview of the program and go through a few PowerPoint slides. And then at the end of the presentation, we will take any questions that you have. So please feel free to type any questions in the Q&A box that you see located in the bottom toolbar. This webinar will be recorded, so if you'd like a copy of the recording, you can just send me an email to gradccas@gw.edu, and I'm happy to provide you with the recording. Professor Nayak, if you can advance the slide. All right, so before we get into the program details, I did just want to tell you a little bit about the George Washington University. We are located in the heart of Washington, D.C. since 1821, and we are the largest institution of higher education within the U.S. Capitol. We've got around 15,000 graduate students from more than 130 countries, so we have a pretty diverse student body. Our location is a prime advantage to students. So we're located, a few blocks from the White House, a few blocks from the State Department, the IMF, the World Bank, the Smithsonian Institution, just to name a few organizations. So we're very close to top government, nonprofit, and private sector organizations, and this gives our students many internship opportunities, which may potentially then lead to career possibilities once you graduate. All right, so the program of statistics is housed specifically within our Columbian College of Arts and Sciences, or CCAS, we say for short. CCAS is the largest academic unit with over 90 graduate programs, about 2,200 graduate students, more than 500 full-time faculty members, and about $21 million in annual research funding. And with that overview of GW and of the Columbian College of Arts and Sciences, I'm going to pass the microphone to Professor Nayak.
Thank you, Kate. Greetings, everyone. Welcome to this webinar, and thanks for joining us. I shall try to be kind of brief, give you just a few pieces of information, leaving more time for answering questions. The Department of Statistics at George Washington was established in 1935. Actually, it is the first Department of Statistics in a College of Arts and Sciences in the United States. So we have a long tradition of statistical education and research. We have a large group of alumni, and many of them actually hold high positions in industry and government. Our alumni, more than one, have actually served as the president of the American Statistical Association. Okay, we have strong connection with major statistical agencies in the Washington and the Washington Statistical Society. So the major statistical agencies include NIH, National Institute of Health, the U.S. Census Bureau, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the federal FDA, and many, many others. Okay, all central government agencies, the federal government agencies are located in our vicinity. And we do have good ties with those organizations. Okay, so the department is present. Okay, our chair is Professor Weijia Judy Wang. She is very well accomplished, very well known, world renowned. We have 15 full-time faculty plus 2 associate faculty. Many of our faculty, actually about half of our faculty members, are fellows of the American Statistical Association. Okay, we have a very strong and diversified research program. We have about 70 graduate students. About half of them are in the master's program and other half are in the PhD program. We have a very vibrant student community. The students are very happy, they're engaged in academic work and also co-curricular activities. And because of our location, we also have a good number of highly trained and experienced adjunct faculty. These are actually working professionals, okay, who bring a lot of practical experience into the classroom in addition to the theoretical knowledge. You can get a lot more information about this at our website. Okay, and here are some snippets from our website. Okay, you can get more information about our teaching, research, service, and so on. Okay. Let me talk about the MS program. I'm going to talk about the MS program primarily. Okay, but I might make a few comments about the PhD program and answer questions as much as I can if you have questions. Okay, our MS program aims to prepare students to enter the workforce or PhD programs in statistics and other related fields. It could be economics or business administration and so on. Courses we offer in rigorous courses, and the program we try to make it very balanced in theory, applications, and computation. Okay, it's very flexible and customizable to fit personal goals and ambition. I'll talk a little bit more about this and also a little bit more about the option to earn a data science certificate. We also offer, this program is well suited for both full and part-time students. Okay, so the program benefits. Okay, our program is not very large. Okay, it's not too small. So you have a good student body, and we can give individualized attention to our students, advising, and the students have access to faculty. Now, the program actually offers the students get good opportunities to build communication, leadership, and other skills through by participating at the GW student chapter of the American Statistical Association and other student clubs, data mining club, consulting club. Okay, we have students who are engaged in this, and we do encourage all the students to participate in those things. This is very important for building a good, successful career. Students get opportunities to network with the alumni and also the working statisticians. I mentioned some of these, FDA, NIH, BLS, and so on. Okay. Uh, our faculty have good connection with this. I myself, had a long connection with the Census Bureau. Okay, I worked there as as a as a, as a researcher and also collaborated with people. We have faculty collaborating with researchers at NIH and EPA and so on. And the Washington Statistical Society is the largest local chapter of the American Statistical Association. They actually have a lot of interesting programs, seminars, mentoring program, and so on. Our students can actually participate in those. Okay, we offer career coaching and assistance at GW at 3 different levels, at the university level, at the college level, and also at the department level. Okay, we try to help as much as possible. The students get good opportunities for internships and work opportunities. Okay, now the degree requirements. We offer 2 options. One is the MS in statistics that requires 30 credit hours or 10 courses. Each one is 3 credit hours. Or a MS in statistics with graduate certificate in data science. The second one actually requires 36 credit hours. The graduate certificate in data science itself requires 12 credit hours, 4 courses in data science, graduate level. But what we do in this joint program is that 6 credit hours or 2 courses are double counted for both the MS in statistics and also in data science. This is a good option for the people who want to enter the job market kind of right after graduation. Okay, there is a lot of interest in artificial intelligence, data mining, and so on. Okay, this is good. Okay, and also this 30 credit, 6 credit hours, it fits very nicely in 4 semesters, 9 credit hours is. Okay, so those who want to enter this program full time, they can complete everything in two years. Uh, our master's program, as I mentioned, is highly flexible and also customizable. We require 2 courses, 2 are required courses, 2 foundational courses on probability and statistical inference. The remaining 24 credit hours are elective courses, and the students may take up to 2 courses or 6 credit hours, okay, from other departments outside departments. It could be in the Columbian College or even outside the college. Okay, but of course, these courses need to have some statistical content material or statistical applications and should be approved by the department. Okay, the students need to be in good standing. Okay, maintain a cumulative GPA of 3.0 or higher. Okay, the admission prerequisites. We require multivariate calculus, matrix algebra, and at least 2 undergraduate courses in statistics, including regression analysis. Okay, additional experience, either in theoretical or applied probability or statistics or programming, would be very helpful, but not necessary. The students who come with a stronger background, they can actually, right from the beginning, they can take more challenging and advanced courses. Okay, otherwise, the students will have to start with some kind of basic courses. Okay, basic probability, applied linear models, survey sampling, things like that. Here we list okay, the recent placements of our graduates. Our students, many of our students have entered the PhD program. Okay, so I would say that the success of our students in entering PhD program is very good. They have gone to many places. Some have joined our own program at GW. Others have gone to other places, including Duke and Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and so on. Our graduates found jobs both in industry and also government and other agencies. We have listed some of those places. And actually, industry-wise, as you can see, as you know, the statistics is very useful in all kinds of industries. You look at Facebook, Amazon, these are kind of IT or modern companies. IMF, World Bank, Capital One, JP Morgan Chase, these are, financial companies, banking, finance. Then Pfizer, Merck, Novartis, these are pharmaceutical companies. Then Gallup and Ernst and Young, these are actually statistical consulting companies. Okay, so for further information, these days you can actually find information quite easily. Google search will lead you to many of these places. But 2 websites are very important or very useful. One is actually Columbian College CCS website. Okay, there is a lot of information about uh, potential future students, the students who are interested in joining the Columbian College or The second one is our statistics department website. There's a lot of information about the department, about the faculty, our programs, our courses, and so on. And the application deadlines for fall, there are two application deadlines. One is February 1, and the other one is April 1. After February 1 is the deadline for funding priority, and April 1 is for admission. Funding priority meaning, the college, we do not actually offer full funding to the master's students. Okay, we offer partial tuition awards to strong candidates. So the college has a certain amount of money, okay, that can be awarded to the incoming master students in statistics. Okay, so it's possible that all of money will be given out, okay, to the applicants who have applied by February 1. That's the priority. If there is some money left, then the students who are applying late might be considered. Okay, so if you miss the February 1 deadline, doesn't mean that they have no option or no possibility of getting any kind of funding. But anyway, February 1 is quite a bit. If you have quite a bit of time, you can actually submit your application and meet the deadline. And let me repeat again that there is no full funding for the master students. Okay, the students get only some partial tuition award. And the deadline for spring admission is October 1st. Okay, so here, anybody interested in contacting us, you can contact me by email. My email address is my first name, TAPAN, @gwo.edu. And Reza Madaris, Professor Madaris, is a program advisor. His email address is reza@gwu.edu. Okay, so we'll be taking questions, answering questions. But here are some pictures. Okay, so this is a picture on the lower left corner. These are actually our students. I say students are engaged. They're happy. You can see that these students, they're meeting at some place, but actually it's not just eating and talking. They did this. This is actually the student chapter of the ASA. Okay. They organized some event. Actually, you can see that student sitting at the very far left end, wearing a T-shirt. You can barely read. It says you can read the letter A, then ASA. That's the ASA T-shirt. Okay, anyway, so they did organize some student event. Okay, so after the event, they said, that, okay, let's go. We're gonna build some friendship, acquaintance, and all that. They did that. Okay, you have some pictures of Washington, D.C. area. Washington, D.C. is a wonderful place, okay. There are some winter pictures. Actually, right now we have snow on the ground as we speak. Okay, so these pictures are kind of timely. Okay, thank you very much for attending this webinar.